On January 31st, 2022, an incident occurred at an apartment complex near 61st Avenue and McDowell Road in Phoenix, Arizona. Officers were investigating a report of a stolen vehicle occupied by several individuals. As officers detained 4 men who exited the vehicle, bystanders began gathering and recording the scene.
Hey, get the MP. Right over there. Lupe, go! Back up. What's up? Go. Go back up. You're gonna get bit by the dog because you're in the way. You can stay back there and watch all you want. Stay back. We will tell you guys.
Go tell your brothers what happened.
They're doing
They're
too
concerned
much.
right now.
They're doing too
Stay
much.
back over there.
They doing too much.
Yeah, they're doing all
too
that.
much.
They don't have to do all that.
Put all of that shit. Put all of
You know
that.
what's going on.
Put all
Stay
of
back over
I'm
there.
lying.
I don't have to. It's free.
I'm lying. No, they're doing
Hey,
too much.
get back. You can watch all you want over there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Don't touch me.
Go
Get out
stand
my
over
face.
there.
Get the fuck out my face. Get out my face.
You're interfering with the...
Why you touching me?
Get away! Copper, that's it. That's it.
She is a minor! 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 She is a minor!
Back.
She is a minor! That's my name! She is a minor! She is a You're hurting me! You're hurting me! Can you pull my...
As the officers tried to detain her, police claimed that the female officer was punched by Ms. Thomas in the face. Another officer's body cam was able to record it from another angle.
She is a minor! She is a minor! I don't give a minor! What the fuck? She is a...
Ms. Thomas was arrested and charged with aggravated assault on a police officer. Another individual, 25-year-old Javon Johnson, was also arrested during the incident. He allegedly punched an officer in the face and attempted to grab the officer's gun. Mr. Johnson faced charges including aggravated assault on a police officer. On February 13th, 2024, at approximately 8:21 p.m., Seattle police officers were investigating reports of 2 boys carrying a handgun near Aurora Avenue North and North 88th Street. During this time, a woman in the Greenwood neighborhood reported being carjacked at gunpoint. She stated that 2 young suspects tapped on her car windows, pointed a gun at her, and demanded she exit the vehicle. One suspect fired a shot into the air before they fled in her Subaru Outback with her belongings.
Got it lit up. Start.
Approaching Winona and Aurora, about 75th Aurora, still southbound, 75 miles an hour.
Yeah, that front wheel's disabled. Be ready for it. Get out of the car! Don't run! Hands! 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 He's got a gun!
Oh, they broke my firearms.
Stop! Take it.
I got right. Drop the gun. Don't please stop. Let me see your hands. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Here. Take him. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Now. Get on the ground. Stay down. Your hands up. On your stomach. Now. On your stomach. Do not move.
We have 2 in custody, taking 2 in custody. We have 2 firearms ditched.
The chase concluded at 7th Avenue North and Thomas Street. where the 12-year-old and 13-year-old suspects attempted to flee on foot, discarding their firearms in the process. Both were apprehended, and the weapons were recovered. On October 18, 2023, at approximately 3:10 p.m., the Fall River Police Department responded to reports of a large group of juveniles causing disturbances, including fighting, at the McDonald's located in Fall River, Massachusetts. The initial call for service originated from the nearby CVS pharmacy, reporting the group's disruptive behavior. Upon arrival, officers observed the group entering the McDonald's. The restaurant's management requested police assistance in removing individuals who had not purchased food, citing prior disruptive behavior in the parking lot.
If you just walked in, time to leave, or you're gonna be subject to trespass and will be arrested. I gave you the warning before you came in. They didn't want you in here. Time to leave, folks. Time to leave. I'm not playing. Time to go. Time to go. One, 2, 6, 4. I'm going to need more cars at McDonald's. They want you out, man. It's not, I'm telling you to go. All right? You don't want to go? You want to give me a hard time? No problem. You are giving me a hard time because how many times did I say time to go?
I want to use the bathroom.
How many times? If you don't start leaving, my handcuffs are coming on. The first person that grabs going. You already ordered? Come over here. You have a ticket? What about you? You have a ticket? All right. Just come over here, guys, okay? Inside McDonald's. Manager wants the place cleared out.
Officers issued multiple warnings, over 23 in total, advising the juveniles to leave the premises to avoid trespassing charges. Despite these warnings, several individuals remained non-compliant and confrontational. This is the first altercation between one of the cops and teens who were arrested.
So you either start leaving, or we're going to start locking people up. We have other people here. All right, time to go. Time to go.
I order first and then leave?
Time to go.
For what? Can I know why?
Huh?
Can I know why?
Because he doesn't want anybody in here.
So you mean mad people to stay here, but I
We're
gotta
kicking
leave?
everybody out. We've got more cars coming.
There's all these other people here that's
So-
not ordering, so get them out.
But right now, I'm talking to you.
So you're dick riding.
Yep, time to go.
Yeah, so you're dick riding, so you're gay.
What is it?
So you're gay, nigga.
All right, that's what it is. Go.
The officers managed to get the teens outside when the second altercation happens with the same teen.
Time to go.
Go. Come over here. That's my little brother's coming with me too, all right? That's my little brother's coming. That's my cousin.
No, he's not.
That's my little brother right there.
You're about to go. He's not coming in. He's not coming in.
The fuck?
You're not coming in.
Niggas, what the fuck,
You
nigga?
go for my
I know
good
my
again, you're
rights,
gonna get
nigga.
whacked.
That dog, you niggas can't touch niggas without no problem, nigga. Nigga. What are you gonna do about it, nigga?
We're gonna lock you up.
Speech, nigga.
You're gonna get locked up. You're gonna get locked up.
For what?
Well,
For what?
it's
For what?
cops
What
here.
For what?
They
They don't want you
For what?
here. You're about to get
Alright,
locked
nigga,
up.
he said I can stay and get my food, nigga. That dogs, nigga. I've been locked up, nigga. I know my rights, nigga. Watch your fucking mouth, nigga.
Time to go.
You niggas can't touch no one, nigga. That's on dead dogs, nigga. Suck my fucking dick, pussy. Bitch ass, nigga. You niggas know you can't arrest me, nigga. I can say whatever the fuck I want, nigga. You niggas pussy, nigga. That's on dead dog, you bitch, nigga. You just gonna keep looking and not talk, nigga. Suck my fucking dick, nigga.
Yep.
The cops come back inside after trying to manage the large group to discover the same teen in line again.
If you're not sitting down, Ian, you're standing, time to go. You're under arrest. What? You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Back up. Back up. Everybody go. Take my shit. Yo, nigga. Yo, why you grabbing my motherfucking neck? Go nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? I don't need to go on the ground. Oh, shit. Fuck. What the fuck, nigga? Yo, what the fuck, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? Yo, get up off me, nigga. Yo, get up off me, nigga. Yo, get off me, nigga. Get off me, nigga. Yo, get off me, nigga. Get the fuck off me, nigga. Yo, my fucking neck, nigga. Get the fuck off me, nigga. Get the fuck off my neck, nigga. The fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
An additional arrest was captured of a female who disregarded officers' commands to leave the area.
Bro, you feel me for no reason to shot some fuck you up. The fuck is wrong with you, nigga? The fuck is wrong with you? Shit's not crazy, nigga. Nigga, I can stand up, nigga. The fuck, nigga? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? They're all recording. Nigga, can I stand up? I'm good.
Go, we'll get
Get him in the car.
Me? Have a seat. I gotta go over there.
For what?
Can you sit?
For what? What am I going where for?
Dude, I told you numerous times, did I not?
Told me what?
Pick up my AirPods.
Where you AirPods?
Can I walk with you to pick up my AirPods?
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah. Niggas did not need to slam me after I told you I'm just standing up.
Dude, you were told to leave numerous times. I told you to leave. I told you don't come back in the store. I told you not to come back in, and then you came back in.
I don't get to eat shit all day. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get food if I need to get food, bro. It's like that. I don't
Why
care.
didn't you have lunch at school?
Nigga, I don't eat that lunch. Nigga, it's not good.
Okay, so that's your
Shit's
fault.
like, fuck.
In total, 8 teens were arrested for charges ranging from trespassing, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. On Halloween night, October 31st, 2023, in Hot Springs, Arkansas, an incident occurred involving 4 teenage girls and a police officer. At approximately 7:30 p.m., Lieutenant Kenny May of the Hot Springs Police Department observed a group of females at the intersection of Glade Street and Park Avenue. He reportedly saw one of the girls intentionally discard a beverage can onto the street. Lieutenant May activated his vehicle's lights and approached the group.
Listen to me. The next time I see you throw trash, you're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail. Hey, you get out of my face. Thank you. Hey.
What the fuck is up with you?
12, I need a couple other units in the 200 block of park.
What could have been a simple lesson from the officer about not littering is now beginning to turn into a bad situation when things get ugly.
My name's Lieutenant May. Yeah, Gladen Park.
Do not touch me. I'm calling my mother. Move. Come here. Come here. Oh, if you touch me, I swear to
I'm not. Do I look like I'm touching you?
Yes, nigga, because you just fucking pushed me. The fuck you talking about?
I wasn't talking to you.
It don't fucking matter. Oh my God.
Hey, call your mom up so I can find out where you live. Okay, call your mom.
Okay, you're fucking weird.
Call your mom. Hey, call your. I'm super extra. Hey, call your mom. You can call your mom too. 200 block. Go ahead and if you need equipment, get here. Go ahead and get here.
Mama.
If juveniles with parents are on the way.
No, ain't nobody on the way because I don't.
No, I need to talk to him. I want to talk to him.
What?
For throwing this at a cop.
Nigga, he didn't even touch it.
Okay, so yeah, throwing it at a cop.
I do it because what are you exaggerating?
Hey, it's all on camera. It's all on camera.
It don't matter. You
Listen, get back, get back, get back, get back. Step it up. Hey, listen, y'all, back the fuck off of me. Get the fuck back.
Repeatedly, the officer tells the teens to get back as he is backing away from them. They continue to be aggressive during the situation, and now the officer decides he has had enough.
Get back, get back. Get back. Get back.
No, you're doing too much. Stop touching me.
Hey, get this. Get this. Hey, you better put your head behind your back. I'm good, I'm good. No, you're good. It's just teenage girls. We're trying not to. Well, we got 4 in custody.
Calm down. Calm down.
No, you punched me in the face. You're not compliant.
You punched me first.
No, I didn't. I pushed you back.
You did.
It's all on camera. You're good.
Oh my God. Can y'all call my mama, please?
Yeah, please. I've been trying to get you to call your mom.
Okay.
Too late.
I'm okay with that.
Too late to be nice.
She punched me in my face first. I don't have anything on me. I was
Okay. Well, you're under arrest for battery on an officer.
You can't touch me there. Do you want me to lift up my shirt? Like, what?
Nope. We don't need you to do anything else except do what we tell you to do.
Like, you're going through one of my arms.
No, we're not.
Can I get my wig?
No, ma'am. Get your foot in so it doesn't get shut in the door, okay?
Okay.
A life net emergent for an asthma attack on a juvenile.
I'm not going to put it on you.
Yeah. Hey, we're going to have life net come check you out, okay?
They probably need to check you out too, sir.
4-5, they're going out with 12.
You got a trickle of blood coming down.
Oh, do I?
Man, that was...
We're good. We're good.
You're bleeding.
Yeah. That wasn't the one that hit me. The one that came out of her wig did. They all kept, so I was driving by, they just chunked a Red Bull can. So I was just going to stop and be like, pick it up. Well, they pick it up and start running. I'm like, don't run away from me. So they start off running. I'm just going to fall into their house. And one of them tried to get in the way of me, so I pushed her out of the way. And then all 3 of them, were actively like, I'm backing up like they're juvenile girls. You're not wanting to just box them. I'm backing up like this, and finally when I heard sirens, they kept coming. I said, get back. I pushed them one time. They didn't get back, and then I took one down, and then everybody else jumped out and took the other 2.
To go to jail. That's great.
Yeah.
That's 3 girls were on you.
Yeah, so.
The 4 teenage girls were taken into custody and transported to the Garland County Juvenile Detention Center. They faced charges including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and assault. Specific details about each individual's charges were not publicly disclosed due to their juvenile status.